Hi, welcome back, and look who I have here with me today, Linora.
So excited! You know how long I've been waiting to do a video of you?
Really?
Yeah, I went on food.
Yeah, so
Like
some of you
favorite
might have
things.
seen Linora on my channel before. She's a bikini athlete. And Linora, what are we doing today?
We are gonna be meal prepping for those who want to gain weight.
Correct.
We are gonna be doing that. We're gonna be preparing technically 6 meals altogether.
Yeah.
Yeah, 6
so
meals.
I'll be preparing meals enough for 3 days from Monday till Wednesday, and Linora, she'll be preparing meals enough for 3 days as well from Thursday to Saturday. So be sure to hop onto her channel to check out that meal prep as well.
Yeah.
So I know a lot of the time we tend to, prep meals to lose weight, but a lot of you have been requesting for meal plan to gain weight. And typically, we need about 1,600 to 2,000 calories to maintain our weight. So this meal prep will be between 2,000 to 3,000 calories. And it's going to be roughly about 2,000-ish calories.
Ish.
Yeah, 2,000-ish
2,000-ish.
calories, yeah. So depending on your body composition, you might need more. Right, so shall we get started?
Yes, so what are we making first for today?
So I'm gonna be making breakfast, which is going to be overnight oats, and I'm gonna be making lunch, which will be salmon frittata with spinach, and dinner will be black beans, coconut, and rice. For breakfast, the ingredients you'll need are 1.5 cups of rolled oats, about 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 cup of dried seeds or nuts of your choice, or goji berries, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and about 1.5 cups of any milk of your choice, as well as 3 large bananas. So Linora, I'm going to be prepping breakfast. So while I'm doing that, do you want to help me with my salmon?
Of course, I want to be your sous chef for today.
I know, yeah. This is going to be for lunch.
So okay, I'm gonna be helping you with the salmon frittata.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So just slice it.
Alright, just any way that you want.
No, just slice it. For me,
Okay.
it's whatever that goes into my body. It's good, it's fine,
Okay.
it's delicious. I'm good.
Okay, cool.
As for me, for breakfast, I'm just going to mix all the ingredients into this container, and then I'm going to put it into the fridge. So oats, and then just add all the milk in. And again, with overnight oats, really it's up to you. Put whatever that you want into this. Make it your own creation. If you like flax seeds, then add flax seeds in it. If you like other nuts, add other nuts. Okay, I love goji berries, as you all already know. Hence, I always have goji berries. As well as peanut butter. Peanut butter is really dense in fat.
I know,
but
I
it's
love
good fat.
peanut butter.
Yeah.
I would eat it straight out the jar. No, what I mean is I will slowly eat it spoon by spoon.
But it's great for those of you who wants to gain weight, because sometimes it can be difficult to consume a lot. But peanut butter, it's so calorie dense, hence just consuming a little bit, you're getting a lot of calories from it. And just mix it all up.
I hope I'm doing your cubes justice.
It's fine.
Main thing is it's tasty.
As long as it's delicious, yeah.
Yes. I am Joanna Soh, chef for today. I'm a little helper.
And so now, we're so excited.
I know.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this up, and I'm just going to put it into the fridge. So then for every day, every breakfast, I'll just scoop 1 portion out, enough for 1 day, and then I'll top it up with bananas. Okay, it is that simple. And this is your overnight oats.
And this is your sliced salmon.
Yeah! Are we ready to cook lunch?
Yeah, so what are we doing next?
This is my favorite, salmon spinach frittata. I've been cooking this recipe for years.
You said salmon, I'm already in love.
Yeah! It's so easy to cook. All you have to do is cook all the ingredients, dump it into the oven, and then just wait. That's it.
Nice.
Yeah, so for this recipe, what you'll need about 250 grams of salmon, 200 grams of frozen baby spinach, 6 large eggs, 60 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 200 grams of sweet potato, half a cup of cherry tomatoes, half a red bell pepper as well as half a yellow bell pepper, half a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 medium onion, and salt and pepper to taste. So before we start, let's preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. And Linora, do you want to help me halve the cherry tomatoes?
Of course, I'm like the
You're
handy
perfect.
person
Yeah, the
for
perfect
like
sous chef.
getting my hands all messy. Okay, all right. So you want me to cut this like how, chef? How do you want me to cut? Okay.
Yeah. And
all
while
right.
waiting for that, I'm going to boil the sweet potato. So I'm going to pour about half a tablespoon of oil, and I'm gonna start cooking all the ingredients here. And Linora, do you want to help me beat the eggs?
Yes, of course, chef.
While that's cracking, I'm going to start cooking the onions. Use your biceps.
I know. I'm using my forearms. I'm using my, let's see, what else am I using? I'm using every single part from the shoulder.
This is a workout on its own.
It is.
Yeah.
But seriously, it is.
You
okay?
feel tired, don't
Yeah.
you? So now I'm going to mix the salmon in. Thank you for slicing.
No problem.
Look at that. I
Is
love
it perfect
salmon.
cubes? It better be
yeah,
perfect
it is.
cubes. Okay.
And again, guys, remember, if you don't have salmon, if you can't find salmon, use any other fish or even meat of your choice. I'm going to put this in as well, the frozen spinach. Because it's frozen, it's going to take some time to cook. To be honest, I've never seen frozen spinach before,
Oh,
but
okay,
I
so this is the
started
first.
using it
Okay.
when I was living in the UK.
Right.
Because you know when you live on your own, everything goes off so quickly.
Yeah.
And you don't want things to just, spoil in the fridge.
Yeah.
So then I discovered frozen spinach and I realized that why not use it? Because especially if I'm meal prepping, it's
Yeah.
going to go in the fridge anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, Linora, can we get half of the red and half of the yellow bell pepper into
Alright, sure.
the salmon mixture?
Yes, chef.
It's our favorite, isn't it? Bell peppers.
I know.
I love bell peppers.
So much of vitamins in this beautiful, colorful traffic light.
Mixed herbs and spices.
Sorry, this is going in my mouth.
There you go. Look at that color.
I always say eat the rainbow.
Yes,
Eat the rainbow, everybody. That looks very ready.
Yeah.
Your salmon is super ready.
Because we're gonna cook it again in the oven.
Oh, sorry. I better stop eating.
Otherwise, I won't have enough for dinner. And now let's pour this into this dish. And then you're gonna pour the egg on top.
Okay.
So this is going in.
Woohoo!
The best kind of lunch.
Oh, I love.
Look at that. Oh, I'm hungry now.
Yeah, you know what's funny, babe? So this is meant for 3 days.
What, you're gonna finish it in one day?
I probably could.
Not even one day, one meal.
Possibly.
Possibly. And this is also very high in protein. Right.
Awesome.
Now it's
Eggs,
your turn. Eggs.
You have a double whammy of protein here. You've got your salmon and your eggs and really, really good fats in there.
I'm going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. So this is optional, yeah? For those of you who do not consume dairy.
Well, okay. Okay, let's fix this. It's okay. In the kitchen, stuff like this happens. So you
you just-
sprinkle. I think that's more than enough cheese now. So yeah, we just
Okay, for those
toss
of you
it over.
who don't consume cheese or dairy products, okay, this is optional. I'm just gonna cover that a little bit more.
There we go. Now it's pretty again.
All right, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Okay, and so this is going into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes until the eggs are solid.
Ready,
All right,
chef.
Ready?
Yes. Oven's
this in.
open.
And that's it. While she's helping me with the dishes, I'm going to scoop up the boiled sweet potato and just let this cool down. Remember, with meal prepping, you have to let all your meals cool down before you even store it in the fridge or bring it out with you. So for dinner, you'll need 1 can of black beans, about 200 ml of coconut milk, 2 large potatoes cubed, 2 large carrots cubed, 2 large tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 onion chopped, half a yellow bell pepper and half a red bell pepper roughly chopped, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, as well as 2 to 3 cups of hot water. While waiting for our lunch to cook, this is our final dish for today. Dinner!
And I'm going to be your dumper.
Yes, you're going to be my dumper. So it's going to
Food
be
dumper.
black beans coconut served with rice. And let's cook, as usual, our favorite ingredient, everybody's favorite ingredient, garlic.
Oh, yes.
Yes, garlic and onion. Dump that in.
Is amazing. I love
Oh,
it when it hits.
there you go.
Okay, get it all off, get it off. Don't waste it.
All right,
Oh,
cool.
that smells divine.
Spice slightly too hot. And let's allow that to cook slightly.
I don't know how no one enjoys cooking. This is so much fun.
I
And
know.
it's even more fun when you do it with a friend.
I know, yeah, that's the whole thing. Do you always meal prep with someone then?
Never. I'm
Never.
very lonely, okay? This is my first meal prep with somebody, which is so cool. Even the last time when I did a campaign, right? I was by myself with people. I was like, okay, don't mess this up.
Right, and now let's put all the ingredients in. Just
Okay,
pour
just
everything in.
everything, yeah?
Yep, bell peppers.
Okay. Potatoes and carrots.
So that's your good carbs, potatoes.
And even the carrots.
Yes.
Veggies are also your carbs, remember that, yeah?
And again, with this recipe, use any vegetables which you like, okay? Let's get the black beans in.
Oh, I love coconut milk!
Coconut milk.
Do you make
We're
ice
so
cream?
greedy.
I know, I love making ice cream with
With
this.
coconut milk.
Yes. Oh my gosh,
Look
look
at
at that. Please tell me we're getting a
you see
close
that?
up. Yes, that is beautiful. Did you see how out?
All right,
Okay.
now water.
Now, whatever you do, do not lick the. So tempted to lick.
Ah, you get to do that. Water.
Yeah.
Mixed herbs and spices going in. Our recipes are so lazy,
Yeah.
delicious, healthy.
Main thing is you want it to be convenient for whatever at all. You just want to make sure that it's convenient for your lifestyle.
Yeah.
And I think we need more pepper.
Okay, go ahead.
I love making stuff. Sorry, I know it's your recipe, but if I'm
It's all
gonna
right.
taste some as well,
You're gonna make
yeah,
sure
actually
it's
I
like,
do put that much.
put more.
You know what? I just love the sound. I just love the sound, babe.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, I love these things.
Cool. And now just allow this to simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm going to cover it. So we're gonna allow dinner to continue cooking and lunch is actually ready.
Okay.
I am so excited. Looks so delicious.
This is so beautiful.
You don't get to eat it just yet, Linora.
Fine.
Not yet.
Fine,
This has
chef.
to cool down, but can we slice it?
So okay, I can't eat once it's cooled down.
Yeah. Once it's cooled down. So let's slice it first.
All right. Okay, I've got my sliced pieces all done.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Right, now let's show
Eat.
them. No, not yet. Okay, we'll eat right at the end, okay?
She's like,
That's why we
why
can't
do
meal-
I have
You
this
know what?
helper?
That's why we can't meal prep, because we just tend to eat
Yes.
and not like prep it for tomorrow. So while waiting for dinner to cool down, let's show them how we like to eat our overnight oats.
Right.
Right. If I make it in a really large container, I like to scoop it out and then I just like to top it up with one whole banana.
So then you mix and match your own
yes.
things.
So you get to
Okay.
mix and choose other fruits as well. So on certain
Right.
days, I prefer kiwi or mango, then I would top it up with any fruits that I like on that day.
So, chef, you want me to
So it
open
doesn't
it
get
for you?
boring. Yes.
Okay.
Can you slice it for me as well?
So I'm using the clean part of the knife.
Just give that to me. It's ugly.
Okay. All right, sure. And I just like to literally let the banana just fall off from the
Yeah.
knife because it just goes into this nice pretty pattern of its own. Okay, perfect.
Right,
Beautiful.
Perfect. So that's usually how I like to have my breakfast. Overnight oats topped with bananas. And if you want to, you can even add more nuts and seeds on top or even other fruits as well. Let me know how you like to have your overnight oats. So this is breakfast, okay? And this will be enough for another 2 more days. So for lunch, I like to have the salmon spinach frittata together with sweet potato, and as well as if you want to up your calories even more, you can have it with half an avocado. Okay? So yeah, that's
Avocado
what.
is love.
Yeah, it's so easy to eat as well. It's so creamy. It adds that extra creaminess,
Texture
yeah, to your
to everything.
to everything. And for dinner, I'm going to have the black beans coconut with rice. So again, I'm going to portion this out enough for 3 days. Usually for my snacks, I just like to have nuts and seeds, and it's about 40 grams, and as well as a protein shake.
40 grams is per like
Per serving, yeah.
Okay.
As well as a protein shake. So the total calories for all the meals per day, including 2 snacks, is about 2,100 calories. This is our meal prep done. High five! Oh. So again, breakfast, overnight oats topped with any fruits of your choice. Lunch,
and dinner. Oh
Yes.
gosh, this looks
So good.
so
Yeah.
well done. I just love seeing all of it in
In the containers, isn't
So
it?
satisfying.
Yeah. This meal plan is perfect for those of you who want to bulk up. And remember, gaining weight is not just about eating lots of calories or eating bad calories. It's about eating good calories and nourishing your body with the right kind of food. And don't forget to do your workouts as well.
Yes. Remember, food is always your fuel.
Correct. And don't forget to hop on to Linora's channel,
Yes,
Linora
please.
Low, and check out the recipe from Thursday till Saturday.
Click here.
Click here to subscribe and do check out more videos from both our channels. And if you want more videos from both of us, leave your comments below.
Bye.
Bye!
Okay, now can we eat?
Yes, we can
Okay,
eat!
yay!
Alright, let's go! I'm just gonna use my hands.
For reals?
Yeah, for real.
Oh yes, thank you. Okay.